Hey everyone, Don DeRosa here. It is that time of year again. It is the time of year when we teach you how to be rehabbers or buy, fix, and flippers. We're going to spend 3 full days. We do this every year, and we're at that time of the year. It's going to start September 25th, 26th, and 27th. So let me tell you a little bit about it. If you are one of these folks right now that are concerned about rehabbing in what we call a transitional market, are you unsure whether should I jump in? I have people ask me this every day. Do I jump in now? Do I jump out? Do I hold on? Do I wait? No, the answer to the question is simple. You never wait. You jump in. But we're going to teach you how to do it smart. We're going to teach you how to evaluate the properties, what to look for, how to identify all your costs associated with that. So don't panic. Also, if you're brand new and you feel like you're stuck at the starting line, guess what? You're in the right spot. We're going to teach you everything from start to finish. How about this? Are you worried about the pandemic? Are you worried about all the things that go with it? Are you worried about protesters in your neighborhood? Are you worried about supply chain properties sitting there vacant? Are you worried about supplies not being readily available or permitting or all the stuff that goes with that? Don't be. Are you afraid of losing money, especially in this market? Because a lot of people don't know whether we're going forward or reverse. So they're kind of just holding their breath right now. And quite honestly, the U.S. government isn't helping us because what they do is they keep kicking the can down the road and they keep putting off the foreclosures. Well, that's going to help and it's going to hurt us in the long run. It's going to help us as investors, but in the long run, it's going to hurt our economy. Okay, so that's going to force us to have lots of business coming our way. So you need to understand how to deal with that. At this event, we're going to be talking about that. I'll tell you a little bit more about what we're going to be covering, but are you worried about slick contractors? I hear horror stories about people hiring contractors and then taking off their money. And that's predominantly because you don't have safeguards in place, right? We're going to teach you all the safeguards that you need. How to deal with permits, we're going to teach you all that. If you're afraid of permits, this is the event. How to deal with vandalism, how to deal, how many people are unsure about insurance? All right, if that's an issue for you, you've got to attend. We've got lots of options for you and how to handle the insurance issues, where to get the money, another big item. If you're in this business going, I don't know where to get money nowadays, we've got the answers for you. We'll show you where to get the money and how to get the money and what you need to do, what numbers need to be put in place, how to evaluate it, the whole 9 yards. And then, God forbid, what happens if I can't sell this thing retail? What are my options? How do I get rid of this thing if I can't sell it? If those are any of your fears whatsoever, and any other fears for that matter, then you need to come to this event. This is where we teach you how to find them, fund them, fix them, and flip them. It's a 3-day event. This event is on day 1, we're going to be talking about how to find them. All the traditional marketing, what tools you should be using, what methods you should use, what customers to target, like pre-foreclosure, probate, bankruptcy, all the different types of customers. And then we're going to teach you how to pick the right neighborhood. Where should I be picking, especially now? If I pick the wrong neighborhood, that could be detrimental to me. So we're going to teach you how, based on demographics, based on school districts, based on crime. We're going to show you all the little tools that go with that to help you pick the right neighborhood. And we're going to teach you how to negotiate. We're going to teach you how to sit down with the seller, teach them and show them the numbers and why you can only pay what you can pay. All right, that's on day 1. How to evaluate the deal. We're going to show you all your numbers and how you evaluate from start to finish. What to take into consideration when we buy, when we fix it, when we hold on to it, and then when we ultimately sell it. Also on day 1, we're going to talk about how to fund these things. What funding is optimal in this day and age. How do we fund these things? When to use hard money, when to use private money, when to use conventional, traditional money, all of which have benefits and negatives to them. You just need to understand what that is. And then what's the difference, right? On day 2, we're going to be talking about how to inspect your property, what to look for at your property, what forms to use, what items to look for, how to do your due diligence, how to create a scope of work. So if all those things scare you, we're going to cover all of that in great detail. How to pick your contractors, how to interview them, what questions you should ask, how do you follow up with them, what paperwork, okay, how to manage your rehab, meaning what kind of paperwork, what kind of processes do I have to have in place so that I don't get taken advantage of. What finishes do I use in there to make sure I get top dollar for my house? Okay, and then how to handle any offers that come with you or come at you. So at the end, when you're all finished, how do I handle those offers so that I get the most amount of money and I maximize my profits? Because there is definitely an art to that. And then, of course, on day 3, this is the cool, fun part of it. We actually go in the field. We visit 3 to 4 or as many houses as we can get to, and we actually put into practice what we learned in the seminar. How to inspect them, what to look for, how to put together a scope of work. And then what we do is we come back and we recap. We evaluate those deals. A lot of times we put offers on those deals, and we may even buy properties at the event. Okay, so if this is something that you want, then all you have to do is click down below the sign up at area.us/R. So if you're interested in learning more about this and you want to come to this event, all you have to do is click right here or go sign up at area.us/R. It is on Friday, September 25th, 26th, and 27th. Starts at 9, goes till 5. The first 2 days are online, and the third day is in the field. So it will be an online event the first 2 days for the educational part, and then we're going to get together and go in the field and do the practical part together. Or you can, watch. We will be streaming this live. So if you're interested in that, please sign up today at area.us/R. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you. Have a good day.